For a long time, I was stuck doing the same repetitive and boring tasks. As a part-time graphic designer, downloading font files, manually extracting each zip file, installing every single TTF and OTF file, and then cleaning up the leftover files. It sounds simple, but doing this over and over again becomes a real chore. Real chore. So I decided to automate this entire task using a simple Python script. Here, how it works. So this is the script, and here are the zip files I have downloaded. So what you have to do is to run this script as an administrator. Now here I am running this. Now it will ask for your folder path. I will go to the folder path, simply copy the folder path and paste it in this script and enter it here. Now press enter. Now let it do the rest. The script automatically searches for the zip files in the specified folder, extracts them, installs any TTF or OTF fonts that are already in the system, cleans up by deleting the downloaded files, and finally refreshes the system's font cache. Now as you can see, the script has been finished and all our files have been downloaded. As you can see, in this folder the font files which I have downloaded are now deleted, and all the fonts are installed. Now to prove that the script works, I will go to Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, here is a text. Let's check what was the previous font that was. Let's check Swanly. Okay, Swanly font. So I will type here Swanly. You can see Swanly is here. The script works. Another font I will check, that is Lucicon. Let's check Lucicon. Now here is the Lucicon font. You can see, and all this had been done without manual refreshing. So this simple script has saved me so much time, and I hope it will help others too. If you want it, feel free to comment and DM me. I will share it there. Thanks.